Space looks peaceful, beautiful, silent. But the truth is, the universe is one of the most dangerous places imaginable. Temperatures colder than anything on Earth. Radiation powerful enough to damage human DNA. And some objects in space are so powerful, their magnetic fields could literally distort the atoms in your body. Welcome to the terrifying reality of space. Let's start with the basics. Survival. Space is a vacuum. That means there's no air, no atmospheric pressure, and no protection. Without a spacesuit, you wouldn't explode like in the movies. But gases inside your body would expand. Within about 10 to 15 seconds, you would lose consciousness as oxygen leaves your bloodstream. Earth protects us with something incredibly important: our magnetosphere. This invisible shield deflects much of the dangerous radiation coming from the sun and deep space. But once you leave Earth's protective bubble, things become far more dangerous. But radiation is only the beginning. Deeper in the universe, we find black holes. Black holes form when massive stars collapse under their own gravity. Their gravity becomes so intense that not even light can escape. If you drifted too close, the difference in gravity between your head and your feet would stretch you into a thin stream of matter. Scientists call this process spaghettification. But as extremes as black holes are, they are not the strangest objects in the universe. For that, we have to look at something even more bizarre. Some of the strangest objects in the universe are called magnetars. They are a rare type of neutron star formed when massive stars collapse. But magnetars possess something extraordinary. They have the strongest magnetic fields known in the universe, up to 1,000 trillion times stronger than Earth's magnetic field. If a magnetar passed halfway between Earth and the Moon, its magnetic field could erase every credit card on Earth. At closer distances, it could literally distort the atoms in your body. Some of the most powerful explosions in the universe are called gamma-ray bursts. They occur when massive stars collapse or when neutron stars collide. In just a few seconds, these bursts can release as much energy as our sun will produce over its entire 10 billion year lifetime. But perhaps the most unsettling part of the universe is not what exists within it. Between galaxies lie enormous regions called cosmic voids. Some span hundreds of millions of light years. Imagine being stranded there. No nearby stars, no galaxies, just darkness stretching in every direction. The universe is breathtaking, but it is also unforgiving, filled with radiation, violent explosions, and forces powerful enough to destroy stars. And somehow, against incredible odds, life exists on the small planet we call home. If you enjoyed this journey into the darker side of the universe, Subscribe to Horizons of Space and tell me in the comments, what do you think is the most terrifying thing about space?